relax people. A lot, but not knock them out. That's because sodium thiopental is a barbiturate, a class of drugs that depresses the central nervous system and slows down brain activity. Now, at the time, psychiatrists had been using other types of barbiturates, like sodium amytal, to try to get patients to talk. Sodium amytal was commonly used during the First World War, for example, to get soldiers to open up about traumatic memories from the battlefield. But even in relatively small doses, the drug was a powerful sedative, so it tended to produce sleepier patients than talkative ones. By World War II, psychiatrists were trying similar treatments with sodium thiopental, and soon they found that in small doses it could induce a kind of trance-like state in traumatized patients, allowing them to talk about their experiences in a candid way that they never would when fully conscious. Eventually, some scientists began to think that if this chemical could help shocked soldiers talk, maybe it could have the same effect on criminal suspects. Years of research then followed that made some researchers think that they truly had found a truth serum. And it's not hard to see why they thought so. When sodium thiopental is injected, it ends up in your brain, where it imitates one of the chemicals that your brain naturally produces when it wants to slow things down, called GABA. Sodium thiopental binds with your brain cells' receptors for GABA and then just sits there. This keeps those cells from passing on signals, which, when spread out over millions of neurons, has the effect of reducing higher brain function. This can help dial down the agitated states which come from fear and anxiety, but it also makes it really hard for the brain to carry out complex thought processes. Like, for example, deciding which questions to answer and making up lies.